In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your signature to a document in Microsoft Word. This is a handy skill, especially if you're dealing with digital documents and want to personalize or authenticate them with your unique signature. So let's dive right in and learn how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. This is as straightforward as it sounds. Just locate the file you want to work with and open it in Word. If you're starting from scratch, or need to practice, feel free to open a new blank document. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Draw tab in Word. This tab lets you access drawing tools that will allow you to create your signature. If you're not seeing the Draw tab on your toolbar, don't worry, you might need to enable it first. To do this, go to the File menu and then select Options. In the window that pops up, click on Customize Ribbon. You should see a list of options where you can activate the Draw tab by checking the corresponding box. Once you've done that, the Draw tab should appear along your toolbar, all set for you to use. With the Draw tab visible, it's time to select a pen tool. Microsoft Word offers a variety of tools here. You can choose from pens, pencils, or even highlighters. Think about the type of line you want your signature to be and pick a tool that you'd like to use. If you're using a stylus, this is straightforward. Simply pick up your stylus and get ready to draw. If you're using a mouse or a touchscreen, you can still create your signature by drawing directly into your document with your desired input. When it's time to put pen to paper, or rather stylus to screen, you can draw your signature directly where you want it to appear in the document. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Just start by sketching it out as naturally as you would on paper. You can adjust everything later. Now that you've drawn your signature, you might want to make a few adjustments. The great thing about digital tools is their flexibility. You can easily tweak the color or thickness of your signature to make it stand out or blend in with your document. If the positioning isn't quite right, click and drag your signature across the document until it sits perfectly in place. Experiment with these settings until you're satisfied with how it looks, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added your signature to a document in Microsoft Word. Practice this a couple of times and you'll be signing documents digitally with ease in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.